Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to my garage. Anyway, this one I'm putting in the side windows and very tedious. So anyway, I'm going to break it up probably 2 or 3 installments. It's taken so much time and the instructions are very, very vague. So I think I say, it's just, I go online and look at kit cars that have been put together previously just to see what it looks like. So anyway, if you find us interesting, like and subscribe. So anyway, I'll get back to you here in a minute. Yes, I'm going to put the roll-up windows in. So I've got them marked out where they go here. And have to cut this out. And here's the parts for that. So anyway, I'll put these together, cut it out, and we'll go step by step. Have the cranks and everything down here. I'll clean those up and get those in. And anyway, we'll get those in. And then I finally found a switch for the dash. The fourth switch, I couldn't find any of them. I finally found one through a marine supplier, a good friend of mine, Bob, of course, being an electrical guy. He knew exactly what to type into the interweb. And as soon as I did that, exactly what I needed came up. So anyway, I'll get started on those doors and we'll go from there. Okay, well, I got the first slot cut in for the roll-up windows. Then they say to mock this up, 77-degree pitch. So I'll go ahead and do that and see if I can make it work. Okay, well, I've got slots cut in the door, and I'm going to assemble the wing windows. And here, I've got it trimmed here so you can put your adjusting screws so you can move it in or out to get it lined up right. Like I said, these instructions are very vague. So I read them over and over and over and go back, look, figure out, well, this is the way I would do it. So anyway, then I was figuring out which of these do you use. There's long ones and short ones, the weather stripping. So I just measured around here, figured out how many inches. And the long one's the one to use. You have a little bit of spare with that. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to do that now and see what I come up with. Okay, well, pre-assembled it. I pre-drilled these. It's stainless steel, so it's really hard. I went through, I think 3 bits, broke one. So anyway, did that. I'm fitting this back in here again. Use my rawhide mallet. Which one of these? It goes that way. Well, it used to fit. There we go. Flush. Put that in. Before I go all the way, I'll put the other one in. Where'd that one go? And pull that a little bit. Yeah, a lot. Well, I screwed up that one rivet in there, and I figured out why. I couldn't get my rivet gun all the way in there, so it was sticking out about an 1/8 inch. So I ground the sides down so they would fit down in there, and let's see how it works on this one. Yep, much better. Feels good. Okay. Yeah, looks pretty good, I think. Yeah. They also said I need to be at 77 degrees. Yeah, that's a little high. Yeah, it's probably, yeah, it's about 77 degrees, so that's good. So next I'll put the adjuster screw on the bottom, and then we'll start on the rollers and actuators. So get the window, new glass in the old channel, and see what we come up with.